Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Friend, today in this video I will show you how you can make a call without opening your phone lock. If there are childs in your house and you want your child can make a call without knowing the password of your mobile phone, then there is one setting inside your mobile phone. So I will show you where is that setting. So first of all, I would like to show you here inside about device. You can see I'm using Realme Narzo 5 Alpha mobile phone for making this video. So basically in this mobile phone you have to go to the safety and emergency option. Here you can see, and here you can see emergency contact option is here. What you have to do, you have to add the contacts. You can see I have added only one contact. You can add more than one contacts. So these contacts you can dial these contacts without opening the password of your mobile phone. So basically whenever your phone is locked, you can open the dial pad, and there is one emergency is written just below. Now I cannot show you because when I'm locking my mobile phone screen, my screen recording will get stopped. So you can check in your mobile phone. Just here you can see here, just at the bottom you will get the source or emergency options here. So you have to click on that emergency options at the bottom, and there you will get the emergency contacts. Now you have to click on that emergency contacts, and you can dial the emergency contacts from there without opening the password of your mobile phone. But just you have to teach your child how your child can make a calls without opening your mobile phone password. So hope friend this video is helpful for you. If this is helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.